I received this car seat from Graco for a review. All opinions are mine, even though this car seat was given to me by them. I'm a paramedic by trade, so there's a lot of things about car seats that concern me when it comes to the safety features. I find that many car seats are made to fit a very varied size of kids without the ease of fixing the straps to make them tight. Most car seats come with this crotch strap that you just pull and it tightens down on your chest strap. You loosen by lifting up on a little lever in here. I think most people that have kids are pretty familiar with that. That's kind of your standard thing. But then when you want to raise these straps to go up over their shoulders, you end up having to take apart the entire back of the car seat, rethread them, put them back together. For me, I can do it, and I'm sure a lot of parents out there can, but I leave my children with my mom a lot, and I'm not super comfortable with her undoing the car seat repeatedly to fit a varied size of kids. She has 6 grandkids, and you know, that's a lot of threading and unthreading. There's a lot of error margin there. My favorite thing about this car seat is the fact that you no longer have to do this. To adjust these shoulder straps, you simply lift up on this handle. Your car seat will get bigger. Now you can put as tall of a child in there as you need to. Adjust those on the neck, that on the chest, and then you tighten with your crotch strap, adjusting the fit. This, for me, eliminates a huge error of margin. I have to say that is absolutely my favorite thing about this car seat. I know that many car seats are starting to get that kind of easy fit, if you want to call it that. But for me, that's my biggest feature. The second bonus feature for this is going to be keeping your kids rear facing. There's this little tray that comes out here. You get an extended 5 inches of leg room. You can see with my hand there, that's a good amount of space. Now with 6 kids, it was easy to find somebody to put in this car seat. 3 of my own and 3 of my nieces and nephews. The youngest of them is my nephew. He is 10 months and we put him in this car seat. He's just wearing a 9 to 12 month clothing. Easy to put him in here. Tightened the seat straps down on him. Took him out and put my son in, who's 18 months. We had to adjust a little bit in his height, and he easily fit in there. Then we got a little bit bigger, used my 3-year-old nephew. Again, we just raised it up, put my nephew in there, adjusted the foot rest to where it was comfortable for him, and he fit in. He wears about a 2-3T, depending on the make of clothes. I have a 3-year-old daughter who is every bit of 43 pounds and can easily wear a 5'6" clothing. I did have to extend this all the way for her. She is too big, I think, to really be rear facing as far as the weight goes. But she was very comfortable. Raised it up, put her in it, rear facing. She had plenty of leg room to rest those long legs of hers. No cramped, no crying, no fits. That was her in the back seat of a Prius. You can see those pictures on my review. She's very comfortable there. Now in the Prius, I did have to put the passenger seat forward if this was extended all the way. It didn't have to go all the way forward. It was still very comfortable for a grown adult to sit in. There was no problems. But like you can see, it's very easy to operate. I'm doing all of this one-handed. There's also a recline feature for smaller babies. Can recline them all the way back. Let's see there how nicely reclined. It does have the where everybody should be. Has very clear instructions. Has all your weight here, what's recommended, where to put it in the car. Comes very clearly marked. And actually my daughter is 43 pounds, so she can still ride rear facing. I, for some reason, thought that went to 40 pounds, so it does go to 50. So that is a child in a 5'6" clothing can ride rear facing. I do also like the fact that these cup holders are nice and big and fit our sippy cups very securely there. They're nice and deep. No more flopping out sippy cups. So, like I said, the favorite feature for me is this headrest that adjusts the straps. Secondly would be the legroom. I can't find really any negative features about this car seat other than maybe it's heavy, but I don't take my car seat out a lot, so weight doesn't bother me at all. I guess if you moved your car seat a lot, then that might be some concern, but